So I've got a 2006 Jeep Liberty 3.7 six-cylinder. Started running real bad. It's my son's Jeep. Started running real bad the other day. Put the scanner on it. It gave me P0300, 302, and 304. Misfire in cylinders 2 and 4. We replaced those coils and all 6 spark plugs. I'm still getting the 304 code, and the vehicle has a loud ticking sound, usually around 1500 RPM and higher, that I can't figure out. The P304 code will not clear. When I clear the codes, it trips and resets again. Don't hear the ticking sound now, but as soon as I get around 1500 RPM, you can hear the ticking. Got me stumped. Can't figure this one out. Any ideas would be appreciated.